Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A72 and today I would like to show you how you can clone available apps on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now you have to go into advanced features, scroll down again and select dual messenger. If you want to use separate contact list from one of your apps that you want to clone, you have to click on the switcher and follow the instructions. But I don't want to do that, so I will just click on the switcher next to Facebook in order to clone it. Then tap on install and wait. So when I go into my menu, I can see that Facebook was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!